Welcome! Today's session is about practical financial advice you can apply right now without complicated theory or confusing jargon. This is the best financial advice many people never hear, and it's rooted in real-life psychology, behavior, and money decisions that matter. The foundation of effective financial management is not spreadsheets or budgets alone, it's your relationship with money. Before improving savings or reducing debt, you must understand what money means to you, how emotions affect spending, and how beliefs can limit financial growth. Many people sabotage their progress without realizing that behavior precedes results. Big financial outcomes rarely come from one giant decision. They come from hundreds of small, consistent habits. Whether it's tracking your spending, automating savings, or setting monthly goals, small actions compound over time financially and behaviorally. Commit to routines that produce long-term benefit rather than instant satisfaction. A critical step toward financial resilience is building an emergency reserve. This cushion protects you from life's uncertainties and prevents reliance on costly debt. Even small, regular contributions add up and give you agency in challenging times. Debt represents future income you no longer fully control. Each dollar of debt is a piece of your future earnings committed to someone else. Prioritize high-interest debt reduction as a strategic investment in your financial freedom. Tools like snowball or avalanche repayment methods can accelerate progress. Once you have stability and savings habits, the next phase is planning for future goals, retirement, education, ownership, and legacy. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounded growth. Understand that consistent investing across market cycles outperforms erratic, emotional decisions. The best financial advice isn't a secret. It's a series of intentional choices, changing your mindset, cultivating disciplined habits, reducing unnecessary costs, avoiding detrimental debt, and planning ahead with clarity. If you embrace these principles, you'll not only improve your financial outcomes, but also your confidence and peace of mind.